In this project, I want to give you a strong start by helping you see how powerful gesture recognition has become for modern AI interfaces. Imagine controlling devices, screens, or entire environments with simple hand movements. No touch. No controllers, just natural interaction. That is exactly what this project teaches you. Gesture recognition uses computer vision to understand human hand and body movements in real time. It matters today because post-pandemic demand for touchless systems has exploded, and industries are shifting toward AR, VR, and smart home ecosystems. Real-world applications appear everywhere, from giving presentations with hand swipes to controlling games, appliances, medical displays, and accessibility tools for people with mobility needs. Learning this system strengthens your skills in vision, deep learning, tracking, and human-computer interaction. Recruiters value these projects because they show that you can build intuitive, real-time AI. Companies across consumer electronics, gaming, automotive, and healthcare are hiring for this skill set. Salaries grow fast because gesture interfaces are now a critical part of future devices. To build a reliable gesture recognition system, you will need a mix of technical depth, practical tools, and strong design instincts. The core technical skills revolve around computer vision, image processing, and the ability to detect and track hands accurately. You also learn deep learning methods such as CNNs and LSTMs for classifying motions, along with 3D pose estimation for more advanced interactions. Real-time optimization is important because gesture systems must feel smooth and natural. You will work with tools like OpenCV for video processing, MediaPipe for hand tracking, and frameworks such as PyTorch or TensorFlow to train classification models. Depth cameras like Intel RealSense help with robust tracking. On the soft skill side, you must think like a human-computer interaction designer. Good gestures should be ergonomic, easy to perform, and consistent across cultures. Recruiters appreciate students who can combine engineering with user experience thinking. These skills prepare you for roles in AR, VR, embedded vision, and interactive AI systems. Now let us walk through how you implement the full pipeline step by step so you understand how everything fits together. You begin with detecting the hand, usually with MediaPipe or a custom-trained model, and extract key landmarks like finger joints. This gives you the raw structure for analysis. Next, you classify gestures by collecting samples of common actions such as swipes, pinches, or waves, then training a CNN or LSTM to understand them. You add temporal smoothing for cleaner results. After that, you extract orientation and finger angles to create stable features. Then you map each gesture to an actual system action using a simple state machine. Once this mapping is ready, you test across lighting and background variations, and optimize latency so responses stay under 100 milliseconds. You use datasets like GNU gesture, Ego gesture, and gesture to accelerate training. Beginners typically complete this project in 6 to 8 weeks, while students with strong MediaPipe skills can finish faster. This process teaches you real-time design, which is one of the most valued abilities in vision engineering jobs. This final slide reinforces why this project is such a strong career booster for students preparing for placements or early AI roles. Gesture recognition systems must hit high accuracy levels, often around 95%, and they must respond in under 100 milliseconds to feel natural. These targets train you to think like a real industry engineer. Recruiters look for students who can manage fast pipelines, understand tracking challenges, and optimize models for responsiveness. The job roles open to you include computer vision engineer, AR and VR developer, gesture AI engineer, embedded vision engineer, and human-computer interaction engineer. Your resume becomes stronger with keywords like gesture recognition, MediaPipe, pose estimation, CNN, LST, and real-time processing. Companies such as Meta, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Samsung, and top gaming device manufacturers hire aggressively for these skills. Salaries range from strong entry packages to excellent mid-level compensation in global markets. This project builds credibility, demonstrates practical vision expertise, and shows that you can create intuitive user interactions. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.